Welcome to Gritty Vlogs channel. This is the place where we keep it real, raw and full of energy. If you love watching fun, you are in the right spot. Let us dive into today's video. The museum also educates visitors about the effort and skill involved in restoring these heritage structures. Bringing an old house to life requires careful work to preserve its original beauty while making it sturdy for the future. Visiting Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is a learning experience. It helps us understand our roots and the wisdom of our ancestors. It is a peaceful place where you can take your time and appreciate the wisdom of the past. Visiting Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is not just about history. It is about understanding how closely life, art and nature were connected in olden times. You can also see beautifully carved wooden houses with intricate designs on the doors, windows and ceilings. These houses were often built for wealthy families. Some houses have open courtyards in the center, which were used for family gatherings, drying grains, or performing rituals. The Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is not just about buildings and artifacts. It is a place where you can see how deeply art and culture were connected to everyday life in India. The traditional carvings on doors and windows often include symbols of prosperity and protection. The way houses were built reflects an understanding of nature, such as using material suitable for the climate. The museum shows us how to live in harmony with nature while still being creative and resourceful. Visiting this place is like taking a walk through history, where every house and every artifact has a story to tell. Inside these houses, you will find old furniture, brass lamps, clay pots, and wooden chests. These items show how people cooked, stored things, and decorated their homes in the past. Inside these houses, you will find old furniture, brass lamps, clay pots, and wooden chests. These items show how people cooked, stored things, and decorated their homes in the past. Traditional cooking vessels made of clay and copper. Hand carved wooden chests and cupboards. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay gritty.